Using the SVG generated by Inkscape, I crafted a Python script to take the graphics and categorize the pieces as per the panel on which they lie, as well as the row, column, shape, and color. The scripts were relatively simple at just a handful of lines of code each, compared to the thousands of lines I conjure up at work, but still posed a few challenges. I'll spare you the drawn out explanations of why I ended up cursing Inkscape for not allowing batch XML operations, or Python for just being Python. But in the end, we had a list of LEGO pieces and their referenced location across the 4 panels of the message board. With the pieces all now in a semi-accessible format, I was able to export the data to an Excel spreadsheet where I was able to apply a random function to decide which day every piece was allocated to. When that was complete, it was simply a matter of exporting those tables to Word to then print and include in our advent calendar.